Good afternoon, everyone. So, one of the greatest challenge with the drug delivery is while we are trying to treat the disease, sometimes it can go to the other places of the body that can create some other toxicity and side effect. One of the biggest reasons for this is drugs are not going to the right place, but going elsewhere. We can resolve it if we put the drug in the right place, in right time. So that's why I'm going to talk about my research that how we able to increase this drug transport by using our synthesized drug transporter or Uber for drugs. So our human body is composed of trillions of cells, and these cells has an oil-like barrier, and this barrier actually prevents us from the external event and also holds together our cell. But the only problem is also not allowing our drug to go inside. So how to resolve that? In the traditional methods, sometimes what they do to get the drug inside, they actually change the structure of the drug, which is not always helpful and not that much easier to do that. So we took a different approach how to solve that. Instead of changing the drug, why don't we make a transporter like that? So we developed a group of transporter that will bind with the water-soluble drug and bind together, make them more oil-soluble, that they can transport to the oil layer and transport it without changing anything at all of the drug molecule. And that's what we did in our lab. We tried them in a group of molecule and with a group of drug where we took a very wide ranges of drug. It was from painkiller to antibiotic to the drug for hypertension. Not only that, our transporters are very highly potent that one of the transporter molecule can able to transport up to 10,000 to 500,000 of drug molecule inside the cell. So now thinking about the safety issue, our transporters are safe. The good news is one of our transporters is actually plant hormone you can find in the lot of food you are consuming right now. So we are able to increase the transport by increasing the selectivity and decreasing the toxicity. Now our current target is to develop it for the preclinical study so that we can give it to the human body. And that's all the story for Uber for drugs. That's Uber for your drugs.